little S.E.L standard here, and I have to say what a smooth running engine this is. I kind of overfilled her a bit, and she primed a bit to start with, but that's my fault. But she is going just as smoothly. I'm really surprised at this. What a lovely running engine. Another shot of her here. All I've done is resolder the pipe back onto the block again, and there she goes. Absolutely beautiful runner. Oh, it's the steam coming out the back ports there, and it's running like a dream. And there it goes again. It's just really smooth, not much vibration at all. Really proud of this wee engine. Its main bad points, I suppose, are just the lack of paint here and there on the steam pipe, a couple of bits in the boiler, and of course it's missing its plate, which is the big thing. The rest's all there and all in very, very good condition. So there it is, the little S.E.L standard, straight from Sandman's archives, and doing a wonderful job. And a quick last look here. There we are.